In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and update your Shopify store, focusing on an essential task, modifying the shipping settings for one of your products. This is particularly useful if you're managing a diverse inventory, including both digital and physical products, and need to adjust logistics settings for each type. Let's jump in by accessing your Shopify admin panel. First, you'll want to head over to your store's homepage. This is essentially your command center, where you have a complete overview of your shop's performance, pending orders, and upcoming changes that need your attention. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and simply click on My Store to get started. Now, once you're on the store's homepage, let's locate the specific product you want to update. In this case, Example Shirt 2. Head over to your Products section and find the shirt. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this area because it will become your go-to place for managing and updating all product-related details. Click on Example Shirt 2 to open its detailed view. Here, you'll have access to information about the pricing, inventory, and more. With the product page open, direct your attention to the menu on the side. We're going to focus on the Shipping section here. Go ahead and click on Shipping to explore its settings. It is within this section that you'll manage how your products get to your customers. Whether you're shipping tangible items or providing downloadable content, this settings area is critical for ensuring your logistics meet customer expectations and comply with your operational strategy. At this point, you'll see an option labeled, This is a physical product. If this box is checked, Shopify assumes that this product requires shipping, which is great for physical goods but unnecessary for digital items. Therefore, if Example Shirt 2 isn't a physical item, or if there has been a change in your product type, you should uncheck this box. This simple action will signal to Shopify that this product doesn't need to go through the shipping process, adjusting your checkout experience accordingly. Before you wrap up, remember to save all changes you've made. It's an easy step to overlook, but absolutely critical to ensure that everything you've adjusted is applied to your store in real time. Just look for the Save button at the top or the bottom of the page, click it, and you're good to go. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to updating your product's shipping settings on Shopify. Managing your inventory correctly can help enhance your customers' purchasing experience, reduce unnecessary shipping processes, and ultimately streamline your operations. Be sure to explore other features in Shopify's admin panel to fully leverage its capabilities for your business. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy selling.